Hi there and welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a famous spice this is frequently observed in our kitchens, cloves. While cloves are renowned for his or her fitness blessings, they also can have positive aspect consequences, specifically for people with unique fitness conditions. So let's dive into the topic. Avoid cloves if you have those health problems. Cloves, the aromatic flower buds of the clove tree, were used for hundreds of years in various cuisines and traditional drug treatments. They are wealthy in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals and have anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and analgesic houses. But like any other herbal substance, they have got a dual nature and might pose certain risks. Bleeding disorders. If you have a bleeding disease or are scheduled for a surgical treatment, you would possibly want to keep away from cloves. Cloves include a substance known as eugenol, which can prevent blood clotting. While this might be beneficial for for human beings with bleeding issues, it is able to doubtlessly exacerbate the circumstance or the hazard of excessive bleeding at some stage in or after surgical operation. Low blood sugar levels. Cloves can lower blood sugar ranges, making them useful for human beings with excessive blood sugar. But for those with hypoglycemia, low blood sugar, or the ones on medicinal drugs for diabetes, consuming cloves would possibly reason your blood sugar to drop too low. Always consult your healthcare company earlier than adding cloves or any clove supplement in your weight loss program when you have a blood sugar condition. Gastrointestinal issues. While cloves can aid digestion in slight amounts, excessive intake can aggravate your stomach lining, leading to signs like nausea, diarrhea, and stomach pain. If you've got a record of gastric ulcers, inflammatory bowel disease, or another gastrointestinal problem, be careful along with your clove intake. Allergies. Although uncommon, it is viable to be allergic to cloves. If you experience symptoms like rashes, itching, swelling, dizziness, or problem respiratory after consuming cloves, are searching for immediate medical interest. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should use cloves sparingly and below medical supervision. High doses of cloves ought to doubtlessly cause uterine contractions or other headaches. Remember, moderation is key in terms of using cloves, and it's important to keep in mind your health reputation. Always seek advice from your healthcare company before making any big adjustments on your weight loss plan or complement regimen. That's it for modern day video. If you found this records useful, please provide us a thumbs up and recollect to enroll in our channel for greater fitness and health content. As always, live wholesome and cope with yourself. Disclaimer. This video is supposed for informational purposes best and isn't always a substitute for expert scientific recommendation, diagnosis, or treatment. Always are seeking the advice of your healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a scientific situation.